What do you want for a snack?
Foul.
You want Ophal? Logan, where is it? Where's the Ophal?
Foul.
Ophal. Do you want yogurt?
Go.
Yogurt? Let's go get it.
Foul. Go.
This. Do you want this?
Go.
You want some yogurt?
Go.
Oh boy. Come on, we gotta get a spoon.
Foul.
Yeah, let's go get a spoon. Come on. Cold yogurt. You're really hungry, huh? What do you say? What do you say? You say, yogurt, please. Say, please. Good boy. Okay. Oh, you're gonna get in your chair? Can you climb up? Get in your chair. Be careful. Do you need help? Okay. Very polite.